Over 90% of teams hit test failures from broken locators every single month. Here's what's happening. When a developer ships UI updates, whether it's UI enhancements, a new feature rollout, or code refactoring, your automated tests start breaking due to invalidated locators, even when the actual functionality works perfectly. The result? A flood of false negatives, turning your CI/CD pipeline red. Every broken locator costs your team over 15 minutes, hunting through logs, rewriting selectors, and creating a constant maintenance cycle that slows down every release and drives up hidden costs of your automation suite. Introducing BrowserStack's self-healing AI agent. With a single config change, it automatically identifies and remediates locator failures at runtime, significantly reducing test failures. Self-healing AI works with the most popular automation tools for both web and mobile, healing your tests wherever they run, on desktop browsers, mobile browsers, or native apps. Let's see this in action. Here is an e-commerce site for which we have created an automated test that logs in, selects products, adds them to cart, proceeds to checkout, and places the order. On this screen, on the left is the original site. On the right is the updated site. After a simple UI update, a critical locator to the Quick Select user field has changed, as highlighted here. Simple changes like these are the root cause of most locator failures. Now, watch what happens when we trigger the test. Without self-healing, the test fails instantly, triggering a red build and sending your team straight into triage mode. The log confirms the break with the classic "no such element" exception. That's another at least 15 minutes lost, all spent debugging a test for a feature that was never actually broken. Next, let's run the same test again, this time with self-healing enabled. See how easy it is to enable the agent. And with that, the test passes successfully. The log shows you exactly what happened. Right here, the healed selector entry confirms the AI agent found the broken locator and used a new one, all in real time. The result? Up to 40% fewer automation build failures and several hours reclaimed every single month. The self-healing AI agent is available across our test automation products. Locator healing is just the start for the agent. Our vision is to tackle the entire spectrum of unintended test failures. Imagine your tests intelligently navigating timing issues, adapting to dynamic content like pop-ups or A/B test variations, and handling other unexpected UI changes, increasing reliability without constant maintenance. Enable BrowserStack's self-healing AI agent today with a simple config change, and let your tests automatically adapt to UI changes.